Hello everyone, and welcome to the second tutorial for the Volt CB-1. For this tutorial I will be working on this small loop that I would like to enhance with a delay line. But if I add the delay line directly, it sounds a little muddy and confused, So now what we could do to improve this is send through the delay line only the notes that are high-pitched, leaving the low notes out. To do so, we are going to build the CV signal that will drive the delay line send signal with a Volt CB1. We also need two CV spiders because we will need to pick the gate and note CVs coming out of the matrix multiple times. First, we need a reference control voltage value to compare our notes to. We can do this directly inside the CB1 with this little trick. Switch an input to unipolar without any signal coming in. You see the meter indicates the input B value is now halfway between 0 and 1. Now if I move the input B multiplier, you see that I can adjust the input B value all the way between -1 and +1. Now we need to plug the note CV in the input A. Here we go. And set the operation to subtract. In this way, if the note is higher than the reference, our output CV will be positive. But if it is lower, the output will be negative. And this negative value is in such a trouble because the mixer will just treat it as a 0. So we plug this signal directly to the send level of our delay line and hit play. Let's hear the result. Not bad, but as you can see, it's tricky to adjust the reference level directly by modifying the multiplier knob, so using a combinator can help keeping the values in an appropriate range. You can hear that the send level varies a lot when we change the reference value. That's because the difference between high notes and the reference gets bigger when we lower the reference. Well, guess what? We can handle that by using a second CB1 to limit the send level to an adjustable value. We just have to redo the CV constant trick by putting input B in unipolar and then plug the send level CV in input A. Finally, set the operation to minimum and adjust the limits with the input B multiplier knob.